Kim is calling for the immediate removal of administrators at Yukio Okutsu State Veterans Home. COVID-19 has ravaged the facility, with almost all the residents in the home testing positive, and 10 residents have already died since the outbreak started back in late August. Jen Beniza reports.
Kupuna, or elders, are among the most vulnerable when it comes to fighting off COVID-19. Doctors have said time and time again how important it is to prevent them from getting sick. Mayor Harry Kim says the administrators at the State Veterans Home in Hilo failed to do that. Yukio Okutsu State Veterans Home is dealing with one of the most deadly clusters in the state so far. Since August 22nd, 10 residents of the facility have died due to COVID-19. A total of 66 of the roughly 80 residents there tested positive, along with 27 staff. Mayor Harry Kim says what's happening there is unacceptable.
There should be an immediate change in regards to the administration, and the president administration should be removed until the review is finished.
A team from the VA visited the facility to conduct the review.
Yesterday when we were there, it was a very collaborative meeting. We were able to provide them some suggestions and share many of the best practices that we brought with us from the mainland and that we've learned throughout the COVID crisis.
Summers would not share specifics and said they would submit a report. Kim met with the group Friday at the facility.
Based on the things that the review pointed out, it was not those things that should have been addressed were not addressed adequately. And whose fault is it? It has to be administration.
An Avalon spokesperson says they are following guidelines.
We've been following, we're very well versed on the CDC protocols for COVID and infection control processes and procedures, and those have all been being followed.
In a statement, U.S. Senator Brian Schatz called on Avalon Healthcare to review and improve its infection control policies and practices, as all three of its facilities in Hawaii have experienced COVID-19 outbreaks. Halenani Rehabilitation and Nursing Center had an outbreak in June and August, and the Avalon Care Center in Kalihi had a small cluster in mid-August. The report should be submitted to the Veterans Home this week. We will follow up and let you know what happens. Jen Beniza, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.
Jen, thank you.